Hi, it's Kelly Ortiz with Guru Travel, your cruise planning experts. Join me today as we explore the cozy and vibrant MSC World America Infinite Ocean View Aurea. The moment I stepped into this room, the unique decor captivated me with soothing eco-green tones and different design elements from the other staterooms that we recently toured. It feels incredibly inviting. A highlight is the expansive picture window that slides open for fresh air. Though it is not a traditional balcony, it does offer amazing panoramic views that allow you to truly savor the ocean breeze. Enjoy all of the Aurea benefits like access to the serene thermal area, welcome package with Prosecco and chocolate, and flexible dining options. This room would be ideal for adult travelers, whether you choose a king bed or you split it into two twins. Quick tip, remember opening the windows does stop the heating and air conditioning, so if that's a deal breaker for you, please keep that in mind before booking. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Contact Guru Travel for all of your cruise planning needs.